Hello, I'm Dr. Roger Owens with HealthQuest Physicians Group, and this is a Minute to Better Health. This month we're discussing headaches and some of the treatments that we have for the different types of headaches. Though there's a dozen different types of headaches, one of the common denominators in the vast majority of them is cervical spine dysfunction and muscle spasm, hence the term tension type headaches. This is electric muscle stim. We use this as one of our tools, one of our therapies to help offset that. This electric muscle stim sends electrical impulses through the muscle to relieve muscle spasm and reduce inflammation. This approach, coupled with chiropractic adjustments and where necessary medical intervention, seems to give the best results when we're dealing with tension type headaches. If you have any questions, please give us a call or click our website. Please like this video and share it with somebody you think could benefit from chiropractic care. Thank you.